Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing Zep Plus Bathroom Foaming Cleaner to see how well it removes soap scum from my bathroom. If you watch my channel, you know I am always looking for bathroom cleaners that can just spray and wipe. I have shoulder injury and scrubbing my shower and bathtub is a pain. It hurts me, and so I'm always looking for a product that I can spray and wipe, and this Zep bathroom cleaner claims that I can do just that. So I will give you a tour of my dirty shower and also why my shower gets so greasy and grimy. Mostly it's because my husband works on a lot of cars. There's a lot of grease and grime involved in his, well, it's not even his job. It's what he does after work because we have all old cars. And I'm telling you, our pickup truck we have a 1990 Chevy and a 1997 Ford. And they're at that point where they're just always breaking. So he's always fixing them. And it just gets really dirty doing that. I also have 3 teenage boys, and well, that just comes with dirt and grime in a shower. So if I just leave my shower alone for a little bit and don't clean it, there gets plenty of buildup for us to test. So in order to use this Zep foaming cleaner, we should read the directions and know how to use it. So you can use it on, sorry, it's hard to read some of these. Some of the print is so small. So you can use it on shower doors, acrylic, fiberglass, ceramic tiles, and porcelain, laminate, chrome, stainless steel, and corian. Okay, so that's good. You should always test these cleaners on an inconspicuous spot first anyway. You know that. You should not use this particular product on marble, granite, terrazzo, or natural stone. So the directions say you should spray, wait 2 or 3 minutes, wipe clean with a damp sponge, and rinse well. I'm going to use a damp cloth because that's just what I prefer when I'm wiping my shower. So let's see how well the Zep Plus Bathroom Foaming Cleaner, did I say that right? I did. Removes the dirt, grime, and soap scum from my bathroom. After cleaning my shower with the Zep Plus Bathroom Foaming Cleaner, I am pretty impressed. It did hold true to the wipe and rinse that it says on the label. Usually I have a hard time believing cleaners that say that because I usually end up by having to scrub with my scrubby brush. With this one, I did spray, wait, and I was able to wipe everything off with a white cloth. I did have to rub in a few spots. So the floor of the shower does have that texture on it, so I did have to rub a bit, but I wouldn't consider that a strong scrub. I did not have to take out my scrubby brush, which is what I usually have to do when I'm cleaning the shower when it gets that dirty. There's one spot though that this cleaner was unable to take care of, and that was the glass door. It got off some of the soap scum. I was able to wipe off some of it, but on the lower part of the door, it was just stubborn and stuck on there, and I was unable just to wipe it off, and I was unable even to sit there and rub it off. So I do think that this worked great for the actual shower floor and the walls, but not very good at all for my glass door. As for the scent, it is not labeled with a particular scent, so it doesn't say spring meadow or citrus bloom or anything like that at all. But it does have a bit of it's definitely a chemically flowery scent. It isn't too strong. It didn't linger tremendously, and I didn't cough. You know how I always cough when I'm using these cleaners? I actually did not cough when I was using this one. So that's something. But it does smell like a fake flower scent. I hope that makes sense. It probably doesn't. But as far as bathroom cleaners go, that's not a bad scent compared to some whoppers that I've had in the past. I do think this product is worth trying. Again, the scent isn't horrendous, and it does actually spray, wipe, and rinse, which I'm actually really happy with for my shoulder. Just remember that this should not be used on certain surfaces, such as it says no use on marble, granite, terrazzo, and natural stone, because it is an acidic formula. So I am happy with the Zep foaming cleaner. I'm just not going to use it when it comes to cleaning my glass doors. If you have a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section. I will add it to my viewer suggestion list, or you can mail me something. My mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email. That's also in the description below, so that I know it's from you and so that I know I should check my mailbox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.